Hey guys, so the things that I got were this strawberry, strawberry icy. It is exactly like strawberries. Exactly like strawberries. But they're like snacks and stuff that we all got. But some of it's not mine, but most of it is. So I'll start off with one of my mom's things. So she got some of these. Sorry guys. She got some of these. Look, they're delicious. She loves them. So that's what she got them. They are actually really good. And yeah, so these are some chips that she got. So I'm gonna put these right here for now. The chips that I got, well, they're not. They're like. So these are some cheddar fries. Sorry guys, 1 second. So these are cheddar fries. There are many different types of cheddar fries like these, but these are the ones that I got. I love these. These are my favorite type of chips. So like on the back, there's hot cheddar fries, regular cheddar fries, barbecue fries, and 1 second. And yeah, that's it. 3 flavors. So okay. And my mom, she got herself some. Can't get this bag off. Okay, this is a little hard. Okay, there, I kind of helped it. And she got a tea. Here you go. Would you like your chips? Oh, crap. Here you go. I already said them, the chips. These are literally the ones that she got. And so these are the snacks I got. Well, this is another snack. I got some mini Reese's peanut butter cups. They are king size. I love peanut butter, but some people are allergic to peanut butter. I'm glad I'm not, because I love Reese's, and they are literally my favorite. So I got these. I'm gonna eat them right now. So this is the mini ones. They have peanut butter. If you've never tried them before. But I love those. My favorite. And that's basically all we got. So now, we're driving to okay, I'm trying to talk, but not with this mouth. Okay, so guys, what we're doing right now. Tell them what we're doing, Mom. We're going to look for a work van for my dad. Because I need a new van. His broke. His old one. So, yeah, we're doing that right now. This is literally my favorite. You see black on my fingers because of the paint that I use for my craft. So that's why you see it. I love these. I was gonna get Pringles at first, the cheddar Pringles, but I wanted cheddar fries because I saw that they had regular ones, and the regular ones are my most favorite. I don't like the barbecue; they taste really weird. but I don't like those. I only like the regular ones. And I'll probably like the hot ones. I tried the hot ones before. They're not that hot, but they're really good. Awesome. So that's all I got for my stuff. So in all the stuff we got, basically 5 things from the store. Well, not store, but from the place. Like I said, we might go squishy. Well, not squishy. Why just say squishy? I'm thinking about squishies. And we might go to Toys R Us, or we might go to Target or Walmart. I don't know. I almost said Walgreens when I did that. But yeah. Guys, I will get back to you guys when I get to a store that we're going to. Well, the place that we're going to. Bye.